Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to manage Kabbage loan repayments. Now, once your funds are in use, managing your repayments wisely is the key to maintaining a healthy relationship with Kabbage and keeping your business financially strong. So let's walk through exactly how to do that. Step 1, understand your repayment terms. Now, when you accept a draw from your Kabbage line of credit, each draw acts like a mini loan with its own repayment schedule. Usually, you choose between 6 months terms or 12 months terms. Now, each term includes a monthly repayment plan with a fixed fee, including instead of traditional interest. That means that your repayment amount is the same each month, no hidden charges or fluctuating interest. Step 2, now know what you owe and when. Now, from your Kabbage dashboard, head to the loan summary or payment schedule section. There, you're going to see all current draws, as well as monthly payment amounts and due dates, and of course, the total remaining balance. This gives you a clear overview of what's coming up and helps with budgeting. Step 3, set up auto pay. Now, Kabbage will automatically deduct your monthly payment from your linked bank account, so make sure that you always have enough funds to cover it on the due date. Auto pay helps avoid late fees and keeps your account in good standing. Step 4, make early payments. Now, if you want to pay off early, you can. Kabbage allows early repayments, and while their fees are upfront loaded, meaning that most of this fees is paid in the first couple of months, paying early can still help to free up your credit line a lot sooner. So to make an early payment, all you got to do is go to the repay early option in your dashboard, and then choose which draw you want to pay down, and then confirm the payment from your linked bank account. Step 5, monitor your repayment activity. Now, you can view your full payment history inside the Kabbage dashboard. This includes completed payments, upcoming charges, and any failed payments. Staying on top of this helps you to avoid surprises and shows Kabbage that you're a responsible borrower. Important if you're hoping to rise your credit limits faster. Step 6, contact support if you've hit a snag. Now, if cash gets tight and you're worried about missing a payment, contact Kabbage support before the due date. While Kabbage doesn't usually renegotiate terms, they can guide you through the next basic steps and may help you to avoid penalties. A bonus tip, use accounting softwares like QuickBook or a cash flow tracker to stay ahead of repayment schedules. Planning ahead is the best way to keep your loan manageable. And that's it. Managing your Kabbage requirements is all about visibility, consistency, and staying proactive. And that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.